If you don't see incoming calls on Redmi 15, let me show you what you can do in order to try to solve your issues. So the first thing that we can do is press volume up or down in order to show this volume bar, and you want to make sure that the DND mode, so this moon icon, is not enabled. And because when the DND mode or the not disturb mode is enabled, you won't see incoming calls most likely. Now another thing that we can also do is open settings, scroll down to apps. Now over here in the top right corner, we need to tap on these three dots and choose show all apps. So we also have system apps visible as well. Now we're gonna tap on search field and we're gonna write phone. There we go. And we need to find the phone app. Over here we can, for example, open app permissions, and we want to make sure that these permissions are actually allowed. So make sure that all of them are over there in the allowed section. If something is in not allowed, then you can tap on it in order to grant the permission. Another thing is notifications, of course. You want to make sure that they are enabled, all of them. And another thing that we can also do is force stop. If you can force stop, then you want to force stop the app and then clear data. Clear all data and press OK. Now, after that, what you're gonna do is go back, and we're gonna go to the phone and messaging storage, and we want to clear cache or data. If you can clear data, then you want to clear data. And let's go back. Then we have phone services. So do the same thing, just clear data. There we go, and press OK. Let's go back. There's also something that is called hyperphone. So just to be sure, we can clear data of this app as well. There we go. And now I'm gonna switch from phone to call. And let's see if we can find some other apps. For example, manage calls. Let's go over here and clear data. There we go. And that should be all. So once you are done with removing the data of these apps, and we can reopen the phone app, and now you can give it a try. And hopefully it works. You can also perform a restart of your device. You can just simply reboot your smartphone. In case you don't know how to do that, you can press the power button and volume up button at the same time. So, like this. And then over here we need to swipe down to reboot. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.